Welcome to my experiment on Boyle's law. It's an important gas law and gives the relationship between the volume and the pressure. The gas law says that the volume and pressure are inversely related to each other. As the pressure goes up, the volume comes down, and if the volume goes up, the pressure comes down. This was found by Robert Boyle, who is an Anglo-Irish scientist. A very, very important ideal gas law. And I'm going to show you in a picture the relationship between volume and pressure. I have a piston which is filled with an air, and it has an initial pressure and initial volume V1 and P1. The initial pressure would be equal to atmospheric pressure. Now, as you press the piston, the air inside is compressed and it gives the second set of reading P2 and V2. Now, what Boyle's law says is that P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, and we have a very simple experimental setup to demonstrate the same. This is a pressure meter, a digital pressure meter, and a syringe of 5 ml capacity. Now we are going to do an experiment and record the reading. The plot of P and V looks like this. As you can see, higher the pressure, lower the volume, and higher the volume, lower the pressure. I have a table consisting of volume versus pressure reading, and as I do the experiment I will record the values. As you can see, the piston is fully open, so I have full 5 ml of air inside the syringe, and this is the digital pressure meter which is showing the atmospheric pressure in this particular place. Now I move the syringe in regular steps of volume and record the corresponding reading on the pressure. I begin with 6 ml and recording the volume. This is in ml. The pressure is in kilopascals. Now the value is 100.7. Okay. Now I am pressing the syringe up to 1 ml and now record 5 ml of pressure volume, and the corresponding pressure is 117.8. Now I go further to 4 ml. Okay. The pressure is now 141.6. The next reading is at 3 ml. Corresponding reading is 181.7. Further I go up to 2 ml and the pressure reading is 256.2. Now I am moving to 1 ml and the pressure is 410.4. When we plot the acquired data, pressure versus volume, we get an inverse relationship between P and V, which is exponentially decaying line. Then the inverse of volume versus pressure will give you a straight line, and this gives you the value of K. And this is how we can do a simple Boyle's law experiment. Thank you.